Here's a 2015 Chrysler 200. This 200 was designed, engineered, and built to compete with the best. That means you win. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. New Car Test Drive exclaims the 200 took to some of our favorite driving roads like a cheetah chasing down a gazelle, changing pace, shifting its weight, gripping the ground, and staying on its line. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.